everyone, I'm Sadi Greco from the Vanguard team at Manor Realty, and I'm standing in front of one of our newest listings at 515 Riverside Drive East in Windsor, Ontario, also known as the Waterpark Place condominiums. Now, this condo is situated in our downtown core, so that means you're in proximity to the University of Windsor, St. Clair College Center of the Arts, and the US-Canadian Tunnel. You're also surrounded by a ton of amenities like restaurants, cafes, local farmers markets, bus terminal, art galleries, just a ton of things in the area right outside your front door. So let's head up to the 17th floor and take a look at what this 2-bedroom, 2-bathroom condo has to offer. The unit itself has some amazing water views, but it also has ensuite laundry, 2 parking spaces, and a storage unit. The building itself has some amazing amenities. It has an exercise room with a sauna, an outdoor terrace, and a rooftop terrace that sits above the 17th floor. It also has an incredible on-site property management company here in the building. So if this is something that you're interested in and you want to know more, stick around and let me know what you think. Thanks for watching.